Now we are based on daily chart for the Australian dollar, as we can see. Alright, now the thing is we need to look into this correction. Now the question is whether we can, the first option, we have this move and this is the correction and we can expect the price continue move up. Alright, and whether the price can break this high or not. And the another option is still we are within this correction. That means we can expect the price to drop, whether from here or break this high before drop. Okay, anyway, we need to look into this correction. As we can see, it's moving up, but whether this one can continue or not. Okay, anyway, we move to forward chart. We see how we can trade it. If I put this one here, okay, if I move to forward chart, all right, the first thing is we are more interested in the down move if we can get the sell. All right, but do we have any sell setup or buy? We don't have it. Okay, first we talk about buy. If we want to buy, the first thing is if we want to look for buy, we have two options. The first things we need to look into this correction. We get the buy setup. That means the correction we need to wait still is not complete, and we get the buy setup within the correction. And what we want, the price come to this high, and whether the price can break and continue or not, or we can expect the reversal from there. The another option is if I put our trend line here, can we expect the price drop before move up? That means we get similar to what we have here and here. That means the second option, we want the price to drop, continue a bit, correct a bit. It doesn't mean have to come to this trend line. I mean, we don't have to, it doesn't mean we have to wait and the price come to this trend line. Similar, maybe we get similar to any of them before we get the up move. Okay, this is how we're going to look for buy, whether we wait for the correction here or the price drop a bit. Okay, then do we need to look for this, how we're going to trade for buy? And as I see, we are more interested in the down sell. Okay, no, do we need to wait the price break this trend line before we look for sell, or if we get any sell within this range also we can take? It depends. If we get any sell from here, as long as the price come to this trend line, we need to start to manage it, whether it can break the trend line or not. Okay, but anyway, based on what we have right now, we don't have any trade setup, and if we can get the sell, it can give us a better trade. Okay, now if you move to forward chart, as I said, if we want to look for buy, the first option, we need to look into this correction. Okay, now the things is, if we put similar to what we have here, whether we can get any buy setup within this range or not. I don't think so we can get a good buy setup based on unless based on lower time frame. If we get, we can take the buy, and as long as the price come to this level, we need to start manage. We want to see whether this one can continue and break this high or not. Okay, and if I remove everything, the second thing is, if the price start to correct and come to this level, then from there any buy setup we can take it. All right, and for sell, but right now we don't have any buy setup, and this correction, it doesn't give us any like confirmation. That's why we have to wait. And if this correction become more complex, that means the price from here drop, or we get similar to what I have here, then it can give us a better trade setup rather than what we have right now. Okay, the another one for sell, as I say, the first option is we wait the price break this trend line. The another one is if we get any correction here. That's mean, how about if we get the price move a bit, correct similar to what I'm drawing here. Okay, if we get anything similar to what we have here, any sell we take it, and as long as the price come to this level, we need to start to manage it. That means if we want to get the sell, we need, if I remove everything, we need to get the correction similar to what I'm drawing here before we take the sell. And as long as the price come to this trend line, we need to start to manage. But if we want to get the buy, whether from here drop, move up, we need to get this similar to what I'm drawing here, or this one start to drop, come to the trend line, then from there we take the buy. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup right now, whether for buy or sell. What we explain, what we can expect. Rather than that, we need to follow the chart and see what we will get from here before we take the sell or buy. And as I say, if we get the sell, it can give us a better trade if we get. Anyway, we just follow the chart and we see how we can trade, and if we see any update I will share on YouTube. Thanks.